You're playing wonderfully. Look, you've made a real sand volcano. Water is flowing down the slopes, just like lava in a real volcano. Have you heard that in ancient times, huge eruptions happened on Earth? Do you know what a volcano really is? Let's find out together. A volcano is a big mountain. Deep underground, it's very hot. There, molten rocks are floating around. That's what lava is. It doesn't have much space underground, so it tries to burst out. Lava flows out of the volcano's peak and runs down the slopes like a hot river. Some volcanoes are called dormant. They haven't erupted for many years, and other volcanoes are active. They erupt again and again. Some volcanoes are so big you can see them even from space. And there are also underwater volcanoes, right on the ocean floor. Real volcanoes are very hot and dangerous, so you shouldn't get too close to them or play near them. But for us, that's not a problem, because we can make a volcano ourselves. For our DIY volcano, we'll need orange food coloring, a glass, modeling clay, vinegar, baking soda. First, let's make our volcano. Mix different colors to make it brown. Place the glass and cover it with modeling clay on all sides. Next, ask an adult to pour in the baking soda and add the food coloring so our lava is bright and beautiful. And now, the most exciting part. Pour in the vinegar. Look, our volcano has woken up. Gas bubbles rise up and push the foam out, just like real lava. Only in our volcano, it's cold. Today we learned that deep underground, there are many molten rocks called lava. When lava gets bored, it comes out. And that's how a volcano erupts. I hope you found it interesting, Mimi.
When will this rain stop? I want to run outside and play. Hooray! Finally!
Out of the house. Hey! It's time to play. The rain is gone. Hooray! Hooray! D-D-N-T-O. Hi, hi, hi. Run, run, run. Come fly, fly, fly. Oh, wow, look there. What a sight. Let's grab and share a yummy bite. Just one more step. I'll get it there. Splash, I slip. Wet everywhere.
Mimi, what happened?
Not me! It was a sneaky puddle. Come on, I'll show you.
And where is this puddle?
It was right here, big. It went glug glug.
Let me wipe you off, little dreamer.
Where did the puddle go?
The puddle didn't really disappear. It flew up to the sky. The sun feels lonely up there and calls it to come play. The sun's warm rays make the puddle light and invisible, and it floats up. Now it is a little cloud, having fun in the sky with the sun. But when the cloud sees a lonely little tree below, sad without water, it turns into rain and comes back down, so the tree won't feel sad. So the cloud can do both. Play with the sun and help the little tree. It travels up and down.
Let's try to make a little cloud at home.
Grown-up time.
We'll need a plastic jar or cup, some warm water, a lid, and some ice. Warm air lifts up the water, and when it meets the cold, the water turns back into droplets and falls down.
Wow!
Just like real rain. That's how water travels, from bottom to top and back down again.
The sun says hi, water goes up, 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 like in a cup. In the sky it cools down there, tiny drops grow in the air. Drops of hands make a cloud so white, floating, dancing, what a sight. If it slide and spin. Blow, 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 wind wins again.
Whoa! What kind of invisible strong guy is that?
I don't know.
But he's stronger than me.
I know who stole my kite. It was the wind.
Where does the wind come from?
Wind is air that moves.
But you can't see it. How do we know it's there?
You can feel it. It tickles your nose, shakes the leaves, and ruffles your hair.
And how does the wind begin?
The sun warms the ground unevenly. In the shade, the ground stays cooler. Above warm ground, the air gets warmer and rises up, and cool air runs in to take its place. That's wind. When the difference between warm and cool is bigger, the air runs faster. Wind pushes things. Light things, it can lift them gently and carry them far, far away. Heavy things, it can barely move them.
What if we attach heavy things to light things?
Let's do the experiment.
Grown-up time.
For this experiment, we need a small toy, a napkin, 4 strings, tape, and a hairdryer. Step 1, lay the napkin flat. This is the parachute canopy. Step 2, tape 1 string to each corner. String, then a little piece of tape on top.
Careful, gentle.
Test 1, without the parachute. Ask an adult to hold the toy up high, arm straight, and let it go. Bam! It drops fast.
Oh, wow. So fast. Are you okay, little toy?
Now we give the toy a parachute. Gather the strings together and attach them to the toy. Now the canopy catches the air and the fall becomes slow.
Wow. It's floating so slowly.
Now we'll show the wind. Ask an adult to set the hairdryer to cold air and blow from under the parachute.
What? It's not falling at all.
And what if we blow from the side instead of underneath?
It's flying sideways.
Wind is air that moves like an invisible river.
Those invisible hands can be gentle or super strong.
Wind can carry light things far, but heavy things barely budge.
Wind loves wide things the most. Parachutes, kites, and tablecloths. They catch more air, so the wind pushes them harder.
Wind is nature's breath, and that's why it's so important for all living things on Earth.
Me, paints today. Colors, colors, come and play. Me, where's the blue? Me, what to do? Rainbow, rainbow, up so high. Rainbow, rainbow in the sky. Me, jump and cheer. All the colors now are here.
Leave the paint bucket and let's take a look inside a rainbow instead. Is that some kind of flood here? No, that's just how a rainbow appears. When a sunbeam hits a raindrop, it splits into colors. Each tiny raindrop makes its own little piece of rainbow, and together they swirl in a dance of colors.
Wow!
Mimi, do you know how many colors it's made of? Well, tell us. That's right, Mimi. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Actually, there are many more, but our eyes only see exactly 7. This is real rainbow fun. Mimi, how about we create a real rainbow at home?
Wow!
Quick, let's fly to our house.
Grown-up time.
Let's get started. We'll need a glass, a bottle of water, a piece of paper, and a flashlight. Pour water into the glass, place a white piece of paper under it. Then, shine the flashlight through the glass onto the paper, and voila, there's a rainbow. No magic, just science. If you shine it straight on, there won't be a rainbow. You need to do it at an angle, and it will appear. So it's not magic at all. It's science. The sun just plays with the rain and creates a colorful wonder. Light passes through the droplets, coloring the sky. Now you know how a rainbow appears. And with the trick of making one at home, you can surprise all your friends. Did you have fun, Mimi? Awesome!
Mimi blow, blow, blow. Bubble in the sky. See it shine, shine, shine. Rainbows flying high. Two little bubbles hug and play. Now they're friends and dance away. Bubbles up, up, up. Ha, ha, ha. Spinning, laughing, la, la, la. One goes pop, pop. Drip, drip, drop. Mimi blows. Tra-la-la.
Are you surprised that when the bubble popped, you saw water droplets? I wonder why they fly if they're made of water. Let's find out. We're inside the bubble. Everything around shimmers like a rainbow. Why does the bubble hold its shape? It's simply like a magical sandwich. These are very thin layers of soap. And between them, like a tasty filling, smiles the water. These layers of soap hold the water tightly so it doesn't escape. And when we blow, this soap and water sandwich inflates with air and becomes a round ball. That's why when the bubble pops, the droplets scatter. But how does it fly? When we blow, warm air gets inside the bubble. It's always warmer than the air around it, and so the bubble rises up. Bubbles don't have wings. The wind helps them.
Bye-bye.
Well, Mimi, let's find out how to make soap bubbles at home using things everyone can have by hand.
Grown-up time.
What should you do now? That's right! Call a grown-up to help you with the experiment. We'll only need a few things: a bowl, a little liquid soap, water, a spoon of sugar, and a straw. Don't eat it, Mimi. This is for the bubbles. First, pour in the water. Add a little liquid soap so you can make the water slippery. And sugar will help the bubbles become stronger and not pop right away. That's how simple it is to make soap bubbles at home.
Wow!
And you can even share them with your friends. Now you know, Mimi. Bubbles fly because inside them there is warm air and a little bit of sun, wind, and joy. Bye-bye, Mimi. See you on our next discovery.